Severe thunderstorms are likely across Melbourne and much of Victoria this afternoon and evening, possible across broader parts of the southeast. And we can see just how extensive that storm risk is looking at today's thunderstorm outlook map, which shows that storms are possible, if not likely, throughout Victoria, southeast South Australia and much of inland New South Wales, although it's important to note that at this stage storms aren't expected to push east of the ranges towards Sydney and the east coast. Storms are also possible across Western Tasmania, although not anticipated to become severe in those parts. Now, the severe thunderstorms marked on this map in yellow and red are possible through much of southeast South Australia, Victoria and southern New South Wales, impacting several of our major population centres, including Adelaide and Melbourne. In those severe thunderstorm areas, we may see damaging wind gusts tearing through with any storms that develop. Large hail and heavy rainfall are also possible, but less likely than the winds, which are our key focus with any storms today. Now, winds of that strength may bring down trees or tree limbs, potentially damaging power lines or property and leading to possible power outages. We're also likely to see dangerous driving conditions develop through the course of today as storms throw debris across the roads and create dangerous crosswinds. Let's take a focused look at where those storms are most likely now. Our severe thunderstorm likely area extends from the southern riverina of New South Wales down through central Victoria and across the greater Melbourne area, including Geelong and West Gippsland. We are expecting to see severe thunderstorms in these areas this afternoon and evening. Damaging winds are likely, possibly reaching destructive force at times. Very strong, incredibly dangerous winds associated with storms developing today. So where are any storms at the moment? Well, looking at our radar, we can see some shower and storm activity through inland New South Wales, but it's not severe and coming from fairly high up in the atmosphere. We're more focused on this activity through southwest Victoria and parts of southeast South Australia at the moment that's coming in ahead of an approaching cold front. It's this activity further down that we are expecting to ramp up through the course of this afternoon as that front moves through. It's currently sitting close to Adelaide and is expected to move across in the next few hours. The peak storm risk will push through Adelaide and southeast South Australia over the next few hours, with that risk of damaging winds following with any showers and storms behind the front as well. The front will move into Western Victoria early to mid-afternoon today, increasing that storm risk for areas like Bendigo and Ballarat. The front is likely to reach the central districts of Victoria and the Melbourne area late this afternoon and evening, which is really when that storm risk is going to peak for Melbourne as well. That is when we're most likely to see those damaging to locally destructive wind gusts with thunderstorms moving through. The storm risk will ease through this evening as the cold front moves east. We're likely to see some showers and isolated storms in the wake of the system, but the risk of severe weather will be easing back. By tomorrow, we're really left with much patchier showers across southeastern Australia and a very low risk of any storms at all. So really the focus for thunderstorm activity is today, particularly through Victoria and around the Melbourne area. It's essential to keep an eye on the radar through the course of this afternoon, as well as the Bureau's website and social media for any warning and forecast updates. Stay safe and we'll catch you next time.